Hello everyone, today we'll discuss the zoology previous year question paper. This exam was held in CDLU in Haryana University. So there are 50 questions in this. The question number one is book Philosophy of Zoology was published in 1809. Who was the author of the book? So, options are Mendel, Lamarck, Darwin or Weismann. So the right answer is B. Lamarck. Which era was known as the golden period for dinosaurs? Options are Mesozoic era, Proterozoic era, Cenozoic era, or option D, Paleozoic era. So the right answer is A, Mesozoic era. Next question is India is located under the following zoogeographical realm. So options are Oriental realm, option B, Ethiopian realm, option C, Palearctic realm, or option D, Neotropical realm. So the right answer is Oriental realm. Next question is Aardvark, Nautilus, Quadra, Koala, and Red Panda are examples of options A. Living fossils, option B. Fossils, option C. Connecting links, or option D. Extinct species. The right answer is they are all are examples of living fossils. Next question is in biological clock, circadian rhythm is term used for option A. 12 days, option B 24 hours, option C 24 days, or option D 12 hours. So the right answer is B. Circadian rhythm is a term used for 24-hour cycle. Now next question is which bird travel longest distance during migration? So options are mallard, nighthawk, Arctic tern, or the Himalayan geese. So the right answer is Arctic tern. So Arctic tern is the bird which travel the longest distance for during migration among all the birds. The scientist associated with classical conditioning is Nicotine Bergen, J. Romance, option D. Conrad Lorenz, or the Van P. Pavlov. So answer C is the correct answer. Next question is promiscuous mating occurs in option A gibbon, option B geese, option C eagle, or the option D chimpanzees. So the right answer to this question is B geese. Next question is horse belongs to which of the following order? So options are A. Carnivora, option B. Parisdactyl, option C. Proboscidea, or option D. Artiodactyla. So the right answer is B. Parisodactyl. Next question is the level at which the species are characterized and named is called as gamma taxonomy, alpha taxonomy, cladistic taxonomy, or the beta taxonomy. The right answer is beta taxonomy. Next question is which of the following is an egg-laying mammal? Didelphis, Sorex, Macropus, or the Ornithorhynchus? Answer D is the right answer. Ornithorhynchus, which is also known as the duck-billed platypus, is the egg-laying mammal. Next is Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a sex-linked recessive disorder. Is common in boys. Girls can be carrier or mildly affected. Why? So these are the options. Option A, sex-linked traits are less common in female. Option B, female must have two genes to express such Y-linked recessive disorder. Option C, non-disjunction of chromosome is common in males than compared to females. Option D, genes for this disorder is carried by Y chromosome. So in this case, right option is A. So because it is a sex-linked recessive disorder, so it is B. Yes. So if a male carries a trait for the disease, he will the he will be obviously be diseased. But in case of female, if a female is heterozygous, then she will be just a carrier. She will not be affected, and either uh, uh, she'll be carrier because she can pass this recessive gene to the offspring, but she won't be affected by this disorder. So that's why the frequency of this recessive sex-linked disorder is less in female compared to the male. Now next question is coelom when derived from blastocele is called as Caesocele, anthrocele, hemocele, or the pseudocele. So caesocele and anthrocele, they are the true coelom, and pseudocele, it is a false cavity. It is derived from the blastocele. Pseudocele, which is present in platyhelminths, it is a false cavity. It is not the true coelom, and it is derived from the blastocele. Next question is corpora cardiaca is option A salivary glands of insect, option B excretory organs of insect, option C endocrine organs of insect, or option D none of these. So the right answer is corpora cardiaca is and are endocrine organs of the insects. Next question is blood pigment in scorpion. Scorpion belongs to arthropoda, and these are the options: gamma globulin, option B erythrocyanin, option C hemocyanin, option D hemoglobin. So the right answer is C hemocyanin. Which one is a connecting link between Annelida and the mollusca? Option A peripatus, neoplana, option C limnia, or the option D Nautilus. So the right answer is Neoplana. A connecting link is an organism which has characteristic of two groups. So in this case, Neoplana has characteristic of Annelida as well as Mollusca. That's why it is called as a connecting link. Laurus canal is present in options are Taenia, Ascaris, Fasciola, or none of these. So the right answer is Fasciola. Next question is true horns are found in A. Rhinoceros, B. Giraffe, option C. Deer, or the option D. Goat. So D. Goat is the right option. Esophagus in adult vertebrate is derived from options are hindgut, option B. Foregut, option C. Midgut, or option D. Primitive gut. So the right answer is foregut. Wolfen body is options are pronephros, Archinephros, option C mesonephros, or option D metanephros. So the right option is mesonephros. Next question is in polylethal eggs, cleavage is option A superficial, equal holoblastic, option C meroblastic and discoidal, option D unequal holoblastic. So in polylethal eggs, cleavage is meroblastic and discoidal. Answer C is the correct answer. Next question is in birds and butterflies and moths, sex determination mechanism is by ZZZW or XXX0, X by A ratio or by XXSY. So in birds, butterfly and moth, the sex determination by A, ZZ or by ZW chromosome um, method. So next question is kappa particles are associated with options are mitochondria, Drosophila, Paramecium killer stains, or option D, Chlamydomonas. So right answer is C. This present kappa particle present in Paramecium killer stain. Which one? Next question is which one of these phases is longest in interphase? G2 phase, that is the second gap period. Option B synthetic phase, that is the S phase, or the G1 phase, or all of these, or option D, all of these are of the same duration. So the right answer is G1 phase. The first gap period is the longest in the interphase. Now next question is Jacobson's organ in amphibia is known as option A temporal brain axis, option B, testicular epididymal axis. Option C, gastrointestinal plexus. Or option D, fibronasal organ. So right answer is option D, fibronasal organ. Next question is, hearing is better in rabbit than frog due to option A, fenestra ovalis. Option B, movable pinna. Or option C, three semicircular canals, or option D, tympanic membrane. So the right answer is movable pinna. Because of the presence of the external ear, the hearing in rabbit is better than the frog. Now next question is match the following. So Tenedium, it is a kind of, it helps in respiration. So it is linked to a monopectine gill. And then social insect, termites, we all know termites are the social insect. And trochophore larva is present in Nereis. Nereis is an annelid, and Melis gland is present in Taenia solium. Triploblastic metaphorically segmented. So annelid and arthropoda, they are triploblastic and metaphorically segmented. So this will be sea mouse. Sea mouse is an annelid. Now according to this, option B is the right one. B1 C A4. Yes. So according to this, C, option B will be the right answer. Now, Maine cocoon, ragdoll, and the Somali are the breeds of option A dogs, option B cats, option C elephants, or option D none. So the right answer is cat. Option Question number 29. Why does the female mosquito suck blood? Option A for spreading malaria. Option B for generating infection. Option C to save her own life. Or option D to reproduce eggs. So the right answer is to this question is it sucks blood to reproduce eggs. Now, which of the following has the largest brain in proportion to its body size? Option A ant, option B elephant, option C dolphin, or option D human being. So the right answer is D human being. So the next question is, which one of the following is an egg-laying mammal? Options are mongoose, option B whale, option C platypus, or option D mole. So the right answer is platypus. Now next question is, characteristic that distinguish arthropods from annelids and mollusks are. So uh, option P, absence of trochophore larva, that is right. Annelid and mollusk have this trochophore larva which is not present in arthropod. Option then Q, an external skeleton made of chitin, right? All the in arthropods we see an skeleton, an external skeleton, as we see in cockroaches. So there is an external skeleton that is made up of chitin. Now C, then R, statement R, subdivision of the legs into movable joints. So this is right statement. That's why they have this name arthropoda. Arthropoda, which itself means jointed appendages. So they have this jointed appendages. Now next statement S, that is distinct mandibles. That is also true. So if we see all these options, according to this, all these statements are correct. So option D will be the right answer. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Option B, the first eukaryotes appeared 1.5 billion years ago, right? The protozoans that cause malaria in humans are sporozoans. This is also a right statement. Plasmodium, they belong to, they are sporozoans. Sporozoans means they do not have any locomotory organs. Amoeba have a flagellated phase in their life cycle. This is a wrong statement. Amoeba, we all know, they do not have any locomotory organs in their uh, body at any stage. Next question is, ciliates such as paramecium differ from all protozoan in having two different types of nuclei. This statement is also right. If you remember, in plasmodium there are two nuclei, that the one larger one is called as macronuclei and the smaller one is called as micronuclei. So according to this, P, Q and S, these three statements are correct. So the answer will be C. P, Q, and S. Next, choose the mismatch. So we have to, from these options, we have to find out which is a wrong match. Bilateral symmetry, fish has a bilateral symmetry, right? First triploblastic platform, platyhelminths were the first triploblastic, right? Before that, the coelenterate and Ctenophora, they were diploblastic in nature. Free living platform, planaria is a free living platform, that is right. Radial symmetry, larvae of echinoderm. This is a mismatch. Why? Because the radial only the adult echinoderms have this radial symmetry, while they are in the larval form, they have this bilateral symmetry. So option D will be the right option because we have to look for a mismatch. Now, chordae tendae is occur in. So, the right answer will be C, ventricles of heart. Although the university has given this option D as the correct, but chordae tendae, they are present in the ventricles of heart and they help in the closing of the walls. Next question is, when was the UNESCO launched Human and the Biosphere program? So, options are 1981, option B 1975, option C 1971, or option D 1980. The right answer is 1971. Bhopal gas tragedy caused by the leakage of isocyanic acid, option B methyl isocyanate, option C isopropyl thiocyanate, or option D chlorofluorocarbon. The right answer is B methyl isocyanate. Next question is, Minamata disease is caused by pollution of water by option zinc, option B oil spill out in sea, option C mercury, and option D copper isocyanate. So the right answer is C. Minamata disease. Uh, it it was first observed in the Bay of Japan. So it was caused by the mercury evolution. Next question is, the most common plasmid vector that is used for genetic engineering is PBR328, PBR335, PBR325, or PBR322. So option D, PBR322 is the right option. Which one of the following is not a functional protein? Option A, urease, option B, invertase, option C, amylase, option D, keratin. So the university has given urease is the right option, but according to me, this is not a right option. Because a functional protein means which carry out some function. Invertase is also an enzyme. It is a sucrase. It catalyzes sucrose hydrolysis to glucose and fructose. Amylase, it hydrolyzes maltose to glucose. Urease, it degrades urea to carbon dioxide and ammonia. So it is a functional protein. Keratin is present in in the dermal cells, in skin. It will be a non-functional protein because it is a structural protein, plays structural role. So in this case, it will be a non-functional protein. But the university has given urease as the right option, according to me, which is a wrong answer. Ki-67 is molecular diagnostic target for option A, gastrointestinal problem, option B, cancer, option C, hyperthyroidism, or option D, headache and nausea. The right answer is B, cancer. The gene family of UMUC, UMUD, and RACA are involved in the following process. Option A, SOS DNA repair, option B, combinational repair, option C, transcription, option D, reverse transcription. So they all are involved in SOS DNA repair, which is more abundant in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Annulate ER, vesicle, option C, cistern, or option D, both B and C. So in this case, the university has given cistern as the right option, but according to me, this is a wrong answer. If the right answer should actually be ribosomes. We all know that Raphiar is abundant in ribosome because it is involved in protein synthesis. If we say cisternae are present in Golgi bodies, and vesicles. If we have to choose among these, then the answer should be, it could be vesicle because vesicle bud off from the ER and then move to Golgi. So cisternae could not be the answer in this case. Although the exact absolute answer will be ribosomes. RE are abundant, RER are abundant in ribosomes. And if we have to choose from this option, according to me, vesicle should be the answer. And cisternae could not be answered. They are not cisternae in ER present. They are present in Golgi bodies. Now, the concept of interferons was given by option A, Paul Berg and Jacobson, option B, Morgan and Knoll, option C, Isaac and Lindemann, option D, Wilson and Walker. So the right answer is C, Isaac and Lindemann. Question next question is, teeth of human are option A, acrodont, monodont, or homodont. Option B, ecodont, don't, polyphyodont, or heterodont. Option C, thecodont, diphoidont, or heterodont. Option D, acrodont, polyphyodont, or homodont. So in this, option C is the correct. Thecodont means they are present in sockets. So our teeth are present in jaw sockets. Diphyodont means di means two. So there are two sets. We have human have two sets, but the first set which is called as the milk teeth. So and then we have the permanent teeth. Hetero means we have different types of teeth. We have four type of teeth which are called as incisors, canine, premolar, and the molar. These are the four types of teeth present in human. Next question is Bombicol is option A hormone, option B enzyme, option C protein, or option D pheromone. So Bombicol is a pheromone. Next question is role of GLP-1 glucagon-like peptide 1 is production of glucagon. Option B stimulation of glucagon production, glucose production, or option C stimulation of pancreatic insulin secretion, or stimulation and storage of protein and lipid through suppress metabolism. So the right answer is stimulation of pancreatic insulin secretion. Next question is insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, is secreted from option A, pancreas, option B, stomach, option C, liver, and option D, intestine. So the liver is the right answer. Which one of the following, which are one of the animals extinct recently? Option A, leopard, option B, mammoth, option C, dodo, and option D, pterodactyl. So the right answer is pterodactyl, which this has extinct recently. Now the last question, which one of these layers has highest biota? So metalimnion, aphotic zone, hypolimnion, or the epilimnion. So epilimnion in other zones, aphotic means there is no light, hypo means less light. So epilimnion here light is maximum in this zone, and this light does not become a respiratory, does not become a limiting factor over here. So the it is rich in the biodiversity. So answer C, epilimnion is the right answer. With this, I request you to share with this your friends, batchmate, to whom it could help. It should be very helpful in if you are aiming either CSI net, or if you are aiming for state level PSC exams of assistant professor level. So please do subscribe and please do share it with your friends. Thank you.